Okay, we're finishing our ride and we're gonna go see how the fishing is. We went by here about an hour or so ago. Land boat fishing charters this year. They usually catch some nice fish. Gotta watch what I'm doing here so I don't run anybody over. Coming through. Thank you. Oh. Dude's got earbuds in. Didn't want to run him over. Here we go. Okay, and this is the Kemp Channel bridge. I was hoping they'd pull one in while we were right by him. This guy knows where he's going. Cutting right across. We just left Cudjoe Key and now we're going to Summerland Key. Explorer Scout just came in. Well, we'll have to look on land boat charters and see if they caught fish, because it looked like a good time. Watch out! Man, they're trying to commit suicide. Here's all the fishing, or parking rather. Got fishing on the brain now. This is one of the better bridges here because this is Kemp Channel. You got a turn lane, actual turn lane, and good parking. Just figure out how to come when the tide's coming in and you got her made in the shade. Take your garbage with you, don't leave it here like these people do. This garbage can up there is uncalled for. Okay, well, we passed mile marker 23 and 24 is next, but that was most definitely the Kemp Channel fishing bridge, and we were checking out the people fishing.